Assalamu alaikum everybody, mostly welcome. Here we are once again, and immediately I'd like to start this session by presenting the topic what we are going to see today. We are going to implement and continue what we started last class, which is the implementation of the GiftsCard, but we are going to define a new technology today, which is the global variable. We are going to use the sessions to manipulate the display and the, let's say, creation and display of the gift card. So just let's get started. Visual Studio, I'm going to start a new web application. It would be in C# like in our explanation. It's a website, something like that. I'm going to say global gift card. Yes, global gift card. Here it came to me. Start, and actually I have my actually this is the default Visual Studio 2010, but whatever. Design view, the first interface that came to me. I'm not gonna utilize any of them. I'm gonna get rid all of them. Just let him reply. Loaded. If you are utilizing the 2013, 2015, 2017, 19 even, there is no harm at all. Actually, this is the latest version. You might, I believe that you'll not have later than this version 2010. But the explanation last class we did it in 2015. Today I'm doing 2010. They are all actually leading us to the same result. The pages I have here, I'm not going to utilize. I'm going to generate a new. I can delete all of them except this file. I will not delete. But I'm not going to do any delete. I'm not going to do to let everybody be similar. Immediately once you are here in the Solution Explorer, I'm going to create a new page. That's it. Add new item. The item would be a web form. I'm going to change the name to gift generator. Gift generator. .spx. Move to the design view. Okay, here I'm gonna start by designing the I'm not gonna use panels today. Because I'm gonna generate the gift here, and I'm gonna use I'm gonna create and make the gift be created in another page. So here I'm gonna design the generator, which is mainly made up of our tools. I'm gonna start by inserting the first label to indicate that this is the first component, and would be actually say the name. Then in front of this name, I tell you what, I'm gonna cancel, delete, and I'm gonna insert a table to make the thing more appropriate. Insert table. I'm gonna make 5 lines, rows, which are actually 5 columns. Let them be 2. Okay, good. Okay, here I'm going to insert the label now in this cell. See the table, here it is visible to us. The first cell here, I'm going to insert the label of the name. First label. Change the text to name. Second label here, I'm going to insert date of birth. Let's say date of birth. Typo. Date of birth, good. Third label here in this location here, I'm gonna say date, today's date, no, it's the text. Come on. Properties. I need the text. Yes, here it is. I'm gonna write something else actually. I'm gonna say today date. No. Actually, I'm gonna say actually location or venue, where to be the invitation. Another label here. I'm gonna say the message. Text wish message. Good. And here the last one, I'm gonna merge both of them. I'm gonna merge both of the cells. Later on I'll do it. For now, text box in front of the name, another text box in front of the date of birth, another text box in front of the location, and another text box in front of the wish text, wish message. Good. Okay, here I'm gonna just create. I'll merge those two here. Modify, merge cells. Here I'm gonna insert a table. I'm gonna center this TD. See what I did? I highlighted the TD from here. Then format, justify, center. I'm gonna insert a button. Here it is. I'm gonna maximize the size of this button. It has to come this way actually, but it is merged. I know it is merged. Those two, they are merged. It's just one cell. Good. I'm gonna change the text to create. Okay, create. Good. Save all. Save all. I'm gonna generate now a new interface. Where the gift card would be appearing. It's on another page. So right click, add a new item. I'm gonna give it the name GCard. G capital C card. Good. Design. I'm gonna move to design. I'm gonna insert a panel here. Gain a little bit of space. Here is my panel. This is my panel. I'm gonna gain a little bit of space. Yes. Here I'm gonna say wish message. Let's say label. First one. Properties would be wish message. What did I do? Good. Down. I'm gonna insert another label for date of birth. Another label down would be for the location or the venue. Location. What did we have? Location, date of birth. Let's mention the name. Okay, let's say later on top here I'm gonna insert a big label. This one would be for the name. Good. The name in front of this. What did I do? No, I changed the ID. No, it's not the ID. The text name. Yes, in front of this name space, I'm gonna gain space. I'm gonna insert another label. Keep it like so. I'm gonna go to the font and change. Yes, this is the font. Yes, here I'm gonna change the size to let it be. I'm gonna say 33. Yes, let it be this size. For color. I'm gonna choose another color, green or blue or something like that. Let's use this one. Let it be bold also. Bold. I'm gonna say true. Good. Save. Wish message. Little bit of space. Again. Toolbox. Toolbox label. Let it be like that. Date of birth. I'm messing with the orders to have my touch, no worries. So one up, one back, another and last one for the venue or the location. Good. خلاص, I'm gonna save this page. I have the star, so I have to save. Saved. Good. Now let's manipulate and let's have a look. From this page here, what we are going to type in those four text boxes, they have to be displayed in those four labels here: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So once we click this create, there have to be a session created for the name, another session for the date of birth, another session for the location, and another for the push message. Let's do that. So this text box is for the name. The name of this text box is text box 1. Let's create the session for the text for the name. On this create, double click. Maximize the view. Yes, I'm gonna say session. Here, let it be uname equals text box 1 dot text. Come on. Dot text. Good. There is an issue. It's very slow, this computer. The session does not exist in the current context. Actually, I know it's not appearing, so I'm gonna change this one to be to string. To string, yes, good. It's a method. What error did I consider? Yes, I believe actually. Yeah, actually, because it's not a method. This one, this is not a method. This is not a method, so we don't use this the normal parentheses. They are. It has to be used with the square parentheses. Good. For the name, the same thing for the wish message. So the wish message, sorry, let's start with the same order. Date of birth. This is the text box, which is text box 2. Again, double click down here. I'm gonna do copy paste. I'm gonna change here DOP, date of birth, text box come 2. Good. Third one, it is the location. The name is text box 3. So I'm gonna paste also. Here I'm gonna say location or locality, locality, text box 3. That's it. The fourth one, which is the last, is the wish message. The wish message, text box 4. Here, WMSG. Wish message, text box 4. Very well. Finished. I come back to this interface, save my interface. Good. Everything is saved. I run, right click, view in browser. It will come. Still loaded. Here we are. Name Murad. Date of birth 1/1/2020. Location, let's say Nizwa. Wish message, blessed, and happy new year, and happy new year, whatever. It's a message only. Create. It loads. Nothing happens. Close. Come back. Once we click this create, the session has been activated. Yeah, but the gift card did not show. Right click, view in browser. I'm not gonna do anything. View in browser, and let's see. Label. Good. Let's do that now. We'll create a menu that makes us move from here to there. So the menu, actually, to make it easier for us, I'm gonna just create a hyperlink. The options for you, just for your knowledge only. Either we insert a hyperlink. The hyperlink would link us from this interface to the gift card interface, or we may use the same button here, or we may use another button here. So all the options are okay. I'm gonna use this hyperlink. Just let's use this hyperlink. All options are okay. Properties. I'm gonna say, let's say, pop up the gift, the text, and navigation URL. Navigate URL would be our gift GCard. Our GCard. The page name is GCard. Good. Okay. Save. Let's do that. Right click, view in browser. The same thing. Okay, I'm gonna fill the same data. I'm gonna say date of birth is 1/1/20. Nizwa, wish message. Wish you happy new year. Good. Create has been created. See there. Still nothing is happening here. What's the problem? The problem is that we did not initialize the thank you. We did not give any order here in this interface. Come back. GCard. Sorry, I closed the. I don't know what. Regardless, GCard. In any empty place. I'm gonna say this label here would receive the session of the name. This label here would receive the session of the wish message. This session here, this label here would receive the session of the date of birth, and this one would receive the session of the location. Label here, starting with this one, is label 5. Label 5. Double click. I'm gonna say label 5 dot text equals session, which session, you name, you quotation. Good. To string, I'm going to use to string to string. Good. That's it. That's enough. For the second one, this is the wish message, label 6. Let's do that. Label 6 dot text equals. I'm going to copy this one. Paste, but it's not the uname. It is what? Just check. It is the WMSG. Copy. Paste. Next, label come. We'll check. This is for the date of birth. It's label 7. Label 7 for the date of birth. 7. And here, which session to bring? We will bring this session, the DOB, date of birth. Copy. Not here. Here. Paste. Last one. which is the where is the page? Where is the page? Location, location, label 8. It is label 8. Label 8. Label 8. Receives which session? Locality. Copy. Paste. Save. See what I'm going to do. See what I'm going to do. See what I'm going to do. I'm gonna start from this page here, while this card does not have to open unless we start from here, and let's see the result. Actually, it does not have to give me any output, but let's see. Starting from the G card immediately. See, wrote to me Murad, wishing you happy new year, the date of birth, the location, from where it came. While I'm starting now, and I started the program now, from where it came, because of the sessions. Because of the sessions. It is saved from the session. So, yes, that's it. That's it for this. For this point, I'm gonna generate the session from new. So right click, view in browser. I have an error 400. What is this? Application HTTP error, bad request. Let's redo it. Save everything and redo the thing. Okay, save all. Right click, view in browser. Good, here it is. I'm gonna give it another name, Ali. Date of birth 1/1/2010. I'm gonna say location Muscat. Mission message. Happy new exams. Yes, happy new exams. No quotation, I made typo. Yes, here. Just create. Done. Click the gift. Ali, happy new exams. 1/1/10 Muscat. That's good. That's good. Okay, as per the request, actually you're required to create an logout and renew session. You are going to use the technique behind the logout. So because the session would be usually on. See, I'm gonna restart the program again. I'm not gonna start from here. I'm gonna start from this one. It will keep the values, but this 400 is actually because of the fast starting or debug. I'm gonna just restart again. No, here it is. It is working. So this Ali, from where it came, this happy new exam, from where it came, because of the session. I need you to generate a renew or refresh page where you are able to cancel those things and reassign a new gift card. Wish you all the best. Continue your guide, please, and answer the request. Thank you.